You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this interesting word. And yes, it's confusing because there are two different pronunciations in English. The British English pronunciation is as stalactites, stalactites. Stalactites, stress on the first syllable. The American pronunciation, however, is more as stalactites. Stress on the lac syllable this time, stalactites. So stalactites or stalactites are the two correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.